Hey guys, Exclusive Sloth here with a little tutorial on how to remove AI mode from Google search. As you can see, it says press tabs and enter to ask AI mode. If you're like me, push tab to click the next search result. So you don't want that, you don't want it to answer in AI mode. So quick way to fix that is to go to Chrome //flags and push enter. It'll bring up this page where you can, in the search flags bar, you're going to search for AI mode. In this first option, AI Mode Omnibox entry point, you're going to disable and relaunch. Oops, continuous guest. And then now you can search for, it's in guest mode, it's not. Anyways, AI mode is gone. So you can now push tab, so, and it brings up the first search result instead of going to AI mode. That's just a quick little tutorial and hope it helps.